Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So the experiment that we'll be performing today is to prove that an electric current conductor actually has some magnetic properties. So meaning that if you connect this wire to a power source, that this wire is going to be magnetic. All right, so how do we do that? How do we prove that? So the first thing that we need to do is to know the list of the instrument that we're going to use. All right, so the first thing that we need, of course, is our power source. So I have like two sets of AA batteries in here. Then I have some wires connected to it. All right, so the idea is we'll just connect this wire to this so that the current will flow through this. So then the next thing that we need is our compass. All right, so this compass is the one that we will use to actually verify if there is any magnetic activity going on in the wire. Right, so because if you put this compass near a magnet, right, so this compass is going to move right around. All right, so now let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to actually connect our wire to be connected so that our current can flow through this. All right, so now when I push this, right, current is going to flow through this circuit. All right, so now when current flows through this circuit and I put this my compass near this wire, right, so if ideally if the current flows through this and there is any magnetic activity going on in this wire, then this guy should move, right? If it doesn't move, so that means the law is not valid. But if it moves, so that means the physics behind this is actually correct. All right, so the idea is, so we just pull this right here. So when I push this button, right, then this should move because the current will flow. So hopefully this works out. So let's count 1 to 3 and see if it's correct. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Ooh, can you see that? It is moving. It is moving. So that means this wire actually has some magnetic activity going on because there is current flowing through it. See that? Wow, that is really great. Nice. So the next thing that we'll do is to actually increase the magnetism of this wire so that we can use this wire to actually attract pin like this, right? Because now it cannot do that, right? So we will increase the magnetism around this wire and then we are going to use it to attract this pin. Let's get started. Hi, hello guys, welcome back. So fun thing, so we were able to prove that when current flows through a wire, so that there's actually magnetic activity going on in it, right? So now, but we want to like make sure that we're actually so sure. So we want this magnetic activity going on this wire to actually pull a pin, right? But right now it can't pull it, right? Because the magnetic activity going on is kind of spread out like in a wire. So how do we do it so that all the magnetic stuff going on in here, we can put it just in one place so that we can see if they are strong enough to attract this. So this is what we're going to do and it's going to be fun. So let's first remove this. All right, so we're going to have this small rod, right? So we have this wire wound around about this. So the idea is any magnetic property of this wire, like going on in this wire, all of them will be around this little rod. So that means if I connect this to the power source, this should have like enough magnetism in it to be able to attract these pins. All right, so let's try it out. So the first thing I will do, of course, is connect wires in here. Let's see, hopefully this is visible enough for you guys. So when I bring this around here, hope you guys can see this. You know what, let me do it this way so you can see it. Good. All right, so when I push this button right there, when I push this button, so that means this stuff should be attracted to this, because when current flows through these wires, they have some magnetic stuff going on, and all of them, they're going to give all of their magnetic property and everything to this little rod, right? And this little rod will be so magnetic enough to be able to attract this. All right, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, go. Can you see that? It just attracted. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Did you see that? Wow. I mean, it's not that strong enough, but it is still visible. So let me try one more time so that you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Can you see that? So that means the magnet is strong enough to attract a pin. So 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Did you guys see that? So let's do something else. So what if I put this around here? Hopefully you guys can see it. So let me move this back a little bit. Right? So the idea is, when I push this, when the current flows through this, right, and I move this around this way, this should follow it. See, it's actually doing that. Right? See, I just press the current, so like the current is flowing through it. Then when I move this way, it's following it. See right there, see that red stuff? So that means the magnet is strong enough to move this around. Wow. Can you see that? Wow. Wow. Did you see that? It's following it because there is magnet in there. So it is confirmed that any wire that you have at your house or anywhere that carries current, that wire actually has some magnetic property in it. And if you're able to get enough wires to wind around, maybe like a metal or something, right, you can get enough magnets to do anything that you want to do. Hopefully you guys enjoy this more video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We are going to be having a lot of cool experiments on this channel, chemistry, physics, and any kind of experiment. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.